Hello everyone, I'm Teacher Ru from VES. Are you ready for an exciting summer English program at VES? Let me show you. At VES, we offer top quality English for all ages, from kitty for the little ones, to advanced IELTS preparation following international standards. For those looking to boost their IELTS score this summer, we are offering extensive short courses, focused especially on speaking and writing. This is the perfect opportunity to gain a competitive edge. But this summer isn't just about books. This year we have a lineup of super fun, engaging in-class activities. Imagine your child getting creative with DIY projects, experiencing exciting science experiments, becoming little chefs, or learning English through fun computer-based activities in a modern computer lab. But the adventure doesn't stop there. This year we are planning lots of amazing field trips to many beautiful locations like UPS in Pleiku, the beautiful Măng Đen, and even stunning Quy Nhơn. These excursions offer real-world learning opportunities and create lasting memories. Don't miss our offers for early registration. Give your child a summer of progress, learning, and fun. Visit our website. Call us at, find us at. We can't wait to welcome you to our VES family.